welcome to another game with IR Airsoft. Today's mission is Covid-19 versus Airsoft. Our mission is to attack the terrorists who have the virus before they release it on the town. The terrorists are currently situated in a church arena. Our mission is to overwhelm them and push them back until they get out of our town. I hope you enjoy. Due to joining the game slightly late, I have taken a very slow approach towards the enemy building just to see where everyone is. Already, now we have the final push towards the first enemy outpost. I definitely arrived to this party late. There was no one for me to kill.
Nice! Hoorah!
The first round was a very short round. Hopefully they can do better in the second outpost. Time for round two. Let's hope they do better.
It's on crossfire.
Just push them. But what if you get hit? Go!
Is the building clear?
First building's clear. Let's move on to the next. Let's liberate our people.
Building clear! Woo!
We were able to defeat the terrorists and send them packing. We've saved our town. We've liberated our people. Hoorah! Thank you for watching another IR Airsoft gameplay. I hope you enjoyed.